Hey everybody, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center right here in Boca Raton, Florida. And I'm super excited to announce that I've been invited to participate in the Global Hair Loss Summit 2020 as one of the founding faculty members, along with many of my esteemed colleagues and friends who are in the hair restoration industry, specialists in the field of hair loss and hair restoration. So it's going to be a great event, the first of its kind, held virtually out there on the internet. Hopefully you can tune in and join us all. It's going to be a lot of fun to learn and share really with the brightest minds in the industry. So I hope to see you there. Check it out.